Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Prudential for annuity account access securely step by step clearly. To authorize with Prudential for annuity account access securely, begin by visiting the official Prudential website. Look for the login option usually located at the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the sign-in page. If you are a new user, locate the register or create account option. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and social security number. After inputting your details, create a unique username and password that complies with Prudential security requirements. Once your account is created, return to the login page. Enter your newly created username and password. If you encounter any issues logging in, utilize the Forgot Username or Password link for assistance. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Annuity Account section. Select the option to authorize access to your annuity account. You may need to provide additional information to verify your identity, such as answering security questions or providing a code sent to your registered email, or follow all prompts carefully, ensuring that the information you provide matches Prudential's records. Once your identity is verified, confirm your authorization for annuity account access. Review any terms and conditions associated with granting access. After accepting the terms, secure your account settings by enabling two-factor authentication if available. This additional layer of security will help protect your account from unauthorized access. Once all steps are completed, you should receive a confirmation of your authorization. You can now access your annuity account securely anytime through the Prudential website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.